With every detail designed with care and partly silicone-covered housing, our beautiful Delight collection includes a chopper, a blender, a mixer, and a hand blender. It's time to be inspired. Apart from the elegant design and lovely pastel color, the Tesla Delight blender stands out due to its simplicity and powerful blending features. Its stainless steel blades are positioned at the perfect angle for easy cutting through the hardest of ingredients. Simple to operate, the device also comes with a blender tamper, which you can use to push the ingredients down without having to open the lid. And the cleaning process is hassle-free thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. With our special smoothie and ice crushing options, you can make as many versions of tasty smoothies as you'd like. Now all that's missing are your favorite ingredients. And don't forget to add fun to the mix.